Today we are going to make this delicious pirashki made with smoked salmon, mascarpone and dill. It's so delicious. And the most important part, you don't have to wait for proof dough. This dough has no yeast. Hello everyone, this is Ina Vizinichka Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making pirashki. They're so delicious, soft, and most important, no yeast. So we don't have to wait, it's just kefir and soda. Let's go. For ingredients we need just 4 cups of flour. Very easy, very easy. All-purpose, unbleached, organic. Also we need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of kefir. If you're watching my channel for a while, you probably know how much I love fermented food and fermented milk, kefir. And I'll link below the recipe for kefir, or if you like to buy, it's so good for you. I always use for drinking or cooking 1 egg and about 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, or really any oil of your choice. This recipe is so easy and so easy to make and quick. So if you're in a rush and you don't want to wait 1 hour or 2 hours until the dough is rise, make simple. We may need a little bit of water. This recipe is very easy and adjustable. If you don't have kefir, which I hardly recommend, you can use yogurt with a little bit of water to dilute it. I'll add a little bit of water, probably 1/4 cup, and see. I love dough. I love to play with dough. For me, it's like Play-Doh for children. It's so soft, elastic. And to clean your hands, you need a little bit of flour. Cover with plastic wrap, or shower cap actually, and let it rest for 20 minutes. Remember the rule, always dough 20 minutes. So for the filling we need some beautiful herbs, and we'll go with dill and scallions. And another component, very well needed, it's a good quality Parmesan cheese. Not need a lot, but little goes a long way. Gives it extra richness and umami flavor. Something what we want to eat even more with each bite. About 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. And mascarpone cheese. Such a beautiful cheese, luxury, I would say. Just about half of container. And now the star of the dish, of this filling, it's of smoked salmon. It's a beautiful, delicious. It's about 9 ounces of salmon. Now a little bit of salt. We don't need a lot because salmon is salty, and of course the Parmesan has own salt. Little bit of pepper, and now mix all together. It looks so good as it is, but I think I would like more creaminess, so I think I'll go ahead and use whole container. Why not? So 1 pound total. Looks so good. I think can be eaten as it is, but in soft dough, baked to perfection, I think you will like even more. The dough nice and rested. And we need generous amount of flour as always. When dough is raised, it's more flexible, it's easy to work with. We'll just relax. We'll work with 1/4 at a time, as always. It's so easy and so satisfying. Just as 3 simple emotions and you have perfect circle. And now it's so simple. Just place about 1 tablespoon of filling and pinch. Making like little tail, and it's a fish. Egg wash. Growing up, we never had this type of pirashki with mascarpone and beautiful smoked salmon. It was much simple, cabbage and potato. But today I'm going to use a special treat for my family. And now ready for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20-25 minutes. Look at this, how beautiful they are, and they smell so delicious. I wish you would be here in the kitchen with me and smell this delicious pirashki. Cannot wait. My mom probably would be proud of me. Decision, which one to try. So now let me try and see how delicious they are inside. Soft and slightly crunchy outside. It's really good. Perfect. It's a bomb of a flavor. It's so delicious. I promise you will like it. Heartily encourage you to make this pirashki. It's quick, easy. It's nice quick lunch with your salad, with your soup, nice appetizer, or beautiful to serve for some special occasion dinner instead of bread buns. This Ukrainian Pirozhki, you will absolutely love it. I will link below similar and related recipe we just made last time with cheese and peas, and many other recipes similar to this. I hope you enjoy this Pirozhki. I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe me, share with your friends, and see you next time. Bye!